Wow, this is a big package. Okay, so yeah, we have the X-Men Huang 505. Ow! You see it, how it feels. You get the cube now. Anyways, it's UV coated. See it first turns. Actually, first turns. Wow. Okay, you know what actually first turns when I look inside of it, it looks like it feels like a YGMDC. Just turning it. This is very different. But yeah, definitely recommend this 5. Definitely check this one. I really enjoyed that. I'm really excited for this one. I'm not getting this one. I've got since the X-Men 20V2 came out. It was a good cube. Now the X-Men 20V2 was a locked up. Very light. Very, very light. And I like the green. Alright, first turn. What? Whoa. Whoa. You guys, I've been heard really good things about this, but I never knew it was this good. Wow. It's like a whole different cube. I never felt cube. It's free. So this fast in my life. Oh my gosh, God. This is a good cube. This is my new main now. I'm not kidding. Wow. Wow. This is the new GAN Megaminx. Yeah. This is really interesting box. Really. It just reminds me of the... Oh, wow. I guess in this is the accessories box. Bright silver. It's texture. I like config texture. I really like this. Whoa. This is a Megaminx? Wow. What else supposed we have? It's still. What else is there? We have the YGC MGC Square One. My current Square One has hey, I can just do it. And YGC Square One's one of the best Square Ones out there. Yeah, already do this. Oh no. So you got obviously your fan foot and your screwdriver. And also it comes with black tiles. I did not know that. Luby. That is Luby. Very Luby. But I feel like this is a little bit, I know it's a little bit heavier than my Diesel Magic, but yeah, I appreciate it because it's magnetic. Wow. This is very good. I really like this. Okay, that looks so much better. I like that black. You know, anything where I got all these puzzles from, what are these on? I'll put a link right down in the description box. Definitely recommend you guys check out these cubes. Get puzzles. I definitely recommend it. I'm definitely going to be practicing Square One and Megaminx now. And 100% probably on 3x3. Because wow. Never experienced a 3x3 this good. These are amazing. I'll put links down in the description where you get all these puzzles. Make sure you guys use discount code STORM at Speak Up Shop. Check out, get 5% off your entire order, which means any puzzle there. They have hundreds, thousands of puzzles there. Real food, wide selection of everything there. Why would you not? Just, yeah, quick links down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.